Hi everyone, Cindy De Silva here from Escalate IT Training. In today's worksheet, we can see that I have a list of over 200 countries and their median ages over a span of about 30 years. Now when I try to print this worksheet, I can see that the column headers are appearing on the first page, but not on any of the others. So to overcome that, I'll go up to my page layout ribbon, page setup group, print titles, and click into this space just here because I want to repeat row 1 at the top of every printed page. So I'll select row 1 by selecting the header for row 1. Now when I look at my print preview, I can see that the column headers appear at the top of the first, second, third, in fact all of the pages. This is Micro Mondays. I'll see you next week.